healthcare domain real-time project hospital management system. Today in the class, I set up the project to setup and add the which require the dependencies and also project structure and verify the project in the browser is expecting or not. I developed the different services, patient service, doctor service, appointment, billing based on the requirement. I can add the different services in the hospital management system. Step 1, go to Spring Initializer in the browser, official website, start.spring.io. The Spring Boot official website. The step 1, project name Maven, language Java, Spring Boot stable version, latest version. The real time scenario we take Wipro, group name based on the package name, organization name and project take com.wipro.xms like that. Take com.xms project, artifact ID, project name, packaging, jar, Java version. This is the step 1. Project Maven build to language Java, Spring Boot stable version. Project metadata, take HMS patient, HMS com.hms.patient, artifact patient service, patient service, patient service is the project name, packaging name, make it simple, package name, make it simple, take to com.hms.patient, packaging, jar, configuration. I use the latest nowadays using the YAML files, Java version. This is the step 1. Go to the step 2, add the dependencies, web2, data JPA, driver, Lombok, validation, Spring security. Coming onwards, add the Eureka server Kafka, now using, add the dependency, Spring Web, the REST endpoints, embedded Tomcat server, and JPA, Spring Data JPA, provide the predefined methods, save, find by, alert, delete, those things. I'm using in this project MySQL database using the SQL driver and Lombok, reduce the boilerplate code and validation with the entity class variables, validate it, and also add the security for the project, the security in the project to explore the dependencies. See the dependencies. So the next step, generate and download the package, generate the project in the zip format, go to the download location, unzip the project, copy this project and go to our working area, paste it here, go to IntelliJ ID, open the project location, select the project, open the project, waiting for the dependencies loaded, in the project. See, Maven project, load the dependencies, open the project, write the project, wait for the dependencies downloaded. Step 5, project structure overview. Have the different layers, controller layer, service layer, repository, entity, DTO, exception, configuration. The controller have the get mapping, post mapping, put mapping, delete mapping. Those are the service. I have to create the methods and also implementation have the business logic. The repository have the database related, entity patient related and DTO also. exception, project exceptions, and configurations. See, our project dependencies are loaded. Our source code src main Java is the main class for the project. Main class for the project. For understanding, I read this sort for this. Welcome to patient service app. I have write it in the see the in the console, and next to have write the layers controller layer, and also service layer, and also entity layer, configuration, those layers. So you can write. And next step, YAML file configuration. This is the YAML file how the server port I take 8081, the patient service application is the database related data with the localhost to port number 3306 is the database name, the MySQL database, the real-time username and password encrypted format in maintaining the GitHub or Bitbucket, and driver class name MySQL JDBC driver is a JPA. DDL auto provide the automatically create the tables. Show the SQL in the console. Copy this configuration. Go to IntelliJ IDEA. Open the YAML file. My resource. Paste it here. Also add the server port. Application port. API-81. Based on requirement, provide the port. And also next step around the application. Before that, I write one control class. The controller class patient controller. As a REST controller. I write one method for our understanding. It is working expected or not. I write verify in the browser, any browser. Application of IntelliJ is the main class. Run the application. Wait for the building. Next step, verify the application. Next to the localhost to IP81 port number. Verify the setup in the browser. Display the login page when I hit this URL. Display the login interface. Default username is user. Password generate in the basic password in the console or IntelliJ project. Copy and paste it in this the browser. See, build the project. The project. See, put in the console logs. The info log for the project. Spring Boot banner. This is one. Start the application. Starting the Tomcat server. Now base port 8081. Now this is the database related. This is the basic security code, security password. Yes, welcome to patient service application. Yeah, now is up and running our application. Go to the browser, search the URL, localhost, port number 8081. See the user interface, a login page. Default is user password. This is the basic password. It generates the Spring Boot in the console. Paste it here. Sign in. Now see application is up and running. Yeah, our first basic application is the patient service. Now verify this. This is the out for this project. Okay. Now quickly recap this today project setup. Step 1, go to the project initializer. This is the official website. Project metadata, required dependencies, generated project to explore, and also extract to open the project. Go to project location, open. This is the project structure, controller, service, everything. This is the YAML file. It is the easily readable. Write the boilerplate code in the real time using the YAML only. Run the application. Verify the user interface. This is, yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, comment it below. Any doubt, comment me. I reply and clarify your doubts. Subscribe my more videos. Thank you for watching.